Eukaryotes versus prokaryotes. Similarities and differences. Each living organism present on the Earth falls into two categories, known as eukaryotes and prokaryotes, respectively. The two types have some similarities in common: DNA, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and ribosomes. Here are the key differences between the two. In eukaryotes, the nucleus is absent, while in prokaryotes, it is present. The prokaryotes have organelles, eukaryotes don't. Eukaryotes are unicellular, and prokaryotes are cellular. The size for eukaryotes is 0.1 to 514 m, and prokaryotes have 10 to 114 m. Eukaryotes are simpler, while prokaryotes are more complex in structure. The DNA form for eukaryotes is circular, and for prokaryotes is linear. Eukaryotes bacteria and archaea. Prokaryotes animals, plants, fungi, protists. For more help with your biology topics, seek instant online assignment experts, chat with us, or visit www.homeworkminutes.com.